Delhi's air pollution is becoming a nuisance day by day, and to combat that, we have come up with one of the techniques which is known as anti-smog gun. Commonly in the media, you have heard the term smog gun, but it is not actually smog, it is anti-smog. Now, how it works, we'll understand in a while, but let's first understand what is the smog and why the various control mechanisms are important and what are those. So, first is you can sprinkle the water so that the suspended particle settles down. The other is anti-smog gun, which works on a principle more or less similar to this, which can be either portable, static, mounted, or on a trolley. There can be smog towers, there can be air pollution control equipments. 2019, one of the study revealed that nearly 1 lakh children die every year, and that's solely because of air pollution. So that problem is getting worse over the years. We have seen during the key pollution months in Delhi NCR area, the demand surges for air purifier, indoor plants, for mask, and so on. Now, to understand what is the smog, before we understand what is the anti-smog gun, let's understand what is smog. So, smog is a combination of smoke and fog. Now, this is a particulate matter that remains suspended in the air. It reduces your visibility, and it is mainly the particulate matter 2.5 and 10 which is affected by it. There are various photochemical reactions which occur in this process and creates a situation of smog which is hazy, which creates a issue with visibility, eye irritation, respiratory problem, and affects the nervous system as well. Now, when it reduces the visibility, it also affects not only your lung and but it also affects your heart, so there can be cardiac problems because of it. So in order to curb this issue of rising smog, the photochemical smog, which we would understand in a separate lecture, this problem can be tackled by anti-smog guns. How this work is really interesting. So atomized water or nebulized water, as we say, is spread through the help of high pressure propellers, and the idea is all the dust particles which are suspended in the atmosphere would ultimately settle down. So it's connected with a huge water tank, and it sprays this atomized water. It acts like a rain. It can go up to a height of 150 feet and has a capability to spray nearly 30 to 100 liters of water per minute. So a huge amount that can be sprayed through these anti-smog guns, and this actually suspends the dust particles and settles down the particulate matter 2.5 specifically, and this is how anti-smog gun works. So this is one of the technologies which is used these days to combat the issue of air pollution, specifically in Delhi NCR area. We would be covering what is the smog and related important case studies, also important for your mains answer writing. We would be covering that in detail in the upcoming lectures, so stay tuned. Wish you very good luck for your upcoming examinations.